Welcome to Jenfab. Everyone wonders how their performance is assessed and how they advance. We don't want this to be a surprise, so we are transparent about what we expect of you and what you should expect from the leadership team here at Jenfab. Our goal is to help you be a better person today than you were yesterday. We believe in everybody making continuous improvement every day. In this video, we explore expectations and the power of coaching and mentoring. Let's begin. Great leaders understand that success lies not only in their own achievements, but also in the growth and development of their teams. Coaching and mentoring are the keys that unlock the potential within each individual. We want to invest in you. If you are getting better, then the team is getting better. Some of you may not understand what we mean when we say coaching. Coaching is the art of empowering others to discover their hidden talents and achieve their highest aspirations. Our leader's role is not just to instruct, but to inspire, guide, and support our team members on their journey towards greatness.
Mentoring is the beacon that illuminates the path to success. Our leaders have the opportunity to share their wisdom and experiences, providing valuable insights and helping you navigate the complexities of your professional life.
Coaching and mentoring foster deep connections between leaders and their teams. These connections create trust, encourage open communication, and build a culture of collaboration. By investing in these relationships, hopefully our leaders will inspire loyalty and drive meaningful growth. Coaching and mentoring have the power to ignite transformational change. They enable individuals to overcome obstacles, develop new skills, and reach unprecedented levels of performance. You hold the key to unlocking the untapped potential within. You have to believe you can do it and be receptive to the coaching. If you are, you will grow. Many times this growth helps you outside of the workplace as well.
In conclusion, coaching and mentoring are not just tasks on a to-do list, they are a way of life for exceptional leaders. Embrace the journey of growth, invest in your own success by seeking feedback and help, and witness the profound impact that coaching and mentoring can have on not just you but also the organization as a whole.
You should be having frequent and regular conversations with your manager. Once a year, we do a formal review. We call it a performance and development review, as it is not just about grading how they did in the past or the performance. We must also talk about the future. How do we help a team member meet their personal goals? This takes time, but it is the most important part of the discussion. We assess the team in 3 areas. Technical competencies are the position-specific tasks. As team members improve their skills, they are eligible for a pay raise. We don't only consider how they do technically. We also consider how they embody our 3 cultural initiatives and, lastly, we assess how they are taking accountability to meet commitments to the team and showing empathy for others. We have 3 cultural initiatives that describe the behavior we aspire to. You will learn more about this in a separate training session.
The degree to which a team member is expected to align with these cultural initiatives is documented so there are no surprises. Here you see the description for those that are not leading others. Each area is described. The level of alignment is described as a novice, intermediate, leading, and for senior team members mastery. This not only helps you understand what is expected in your current position, but also what the shift is for more senior positions. In the performance review, we will record how the team member is doing.
The area everyone is used to being assessed in is technical. We have this for all roles, not just the shout.
Similar to cultural competencies, the expectations are clear for each position. Training specific to each position provides deeper detail. There is an area in the performance review to record how the team member is doing.
The last area we consider is how the team member is demonstrating accountability with empathy. There is a separate training that covers the detail in this area.
Once again, the expectations are clear up front. We are transparent about this. There is an area to record how the team member is doing. Performance tends to look at how we did in the past. It is also important to plan for the future. This is a step our leaders are growing in. We use the 70-20-10 model. 70% of development will be on the job training. For example, a lead may take some time to show a team member how to leak test a weld if that is an area they need to learn to advance. 20% is coaching. This is going to be in areas around cultural alignment and accountability. Perhaps they need to improve in making continuous improvement in quality. The final 10% is formal training. This can be hydraulics training or chemical safety training. I am sure you are thinking this takes time. You are right, it does. Our team members deserve this development. If they get better, so does the company. Here is an example of an individual development plan. It is personal and specific for an individual trying to move from Fab Helper to Fab 1. It communicates that the lead cares about their advancement. This is what everyday impact is about. The other part of development is understanding the individual goals that tie to company performance and how you earn your bonus. This is where we share part of the profit we earn with individual team members.
Jenfab used to be like the traditional manufacturing plant where there is a buzzer for everyone to take breaks at same time. We smashed that during a town hall. Team leads are responsible to deliver projects on time. They can decide when the team needs a break. We had point systems for discipline, and too many points meant no raise or termination. We no longer have this. We don't need points to terminate you. If you are violating trust with the team and not meeting commitments, you will no longer be part of the team. We used to have a voicemail to call off sick to with no one answering. We no longer have that. What if you are off the side of the rad in a ditch and need help? You will have access to your supervisor's cell phone number. What we expect is for everyone to take accountability and responsibility for making a contribution to our success. We want you to do that with empathy for your team members. We cover this in detail in separate training sessions. Trust goes both ways. If you see something wrong, you should be able to have a positive conversation with a leader or another team member about how you feel as well. We can all improve. Unfortunately, we sometimes have situations where there is a need for some corrective coaching to make a correction to a team member's performance. We also need to make sure we document when a team member does something that really has a great impact on the team. That way your personnel file reflects the great work you are doing for future leaders to see. We will use the SBID method. Situation. Describe the situation from the leader's perspective. Behavior. What was the observed behavior? This can be good or bad. Impact. What impact did it have on the team? Desired. What is the expected behavior and associated impact? Hopefully, you never experience this. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, by embracing development and being receptive to coaching and mentoring, you are shaping the future of Jenfab and paving the way for success.